Ah, 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 ah. Oops. I pressed new game by accident. GG's. Well, chat. We got Skin Stapler. I don't know what this game's about. I think it's about glizzies. I'm eating glizzies. And I'm making glizzies for the glizzies. That's pretty much it.
February 23rd.
Can I skip this
1984.
Though? Please.
Carrion City. Another night of rot simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
We don't want to hear Dick talking again. Can we skip?
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
Yo, Bruce Banner.
And now, we got some freak
We
carving his way
legitimately
through
don't
the
care.
city. Leaves skin like paper trails.
Like,
the streets whisper fear and cover-ups.
to the point.
Me, I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I?
I'm Dick. Bro said it proudly too.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over.
Who is the dev for this game, bro? Who's the dev?
Come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
So in other words, how was y'all day? Y'all day was good?
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
How was y'all day, chat? Y'all doing good? Life treating y'all good? Y'all good? Name's Dick. The name's Wee Wee. And I like Wee Wee. What? Carrion City Police Department. We already know what to do, chat. We already know what to do. We already know what to do.
Carrion City.
Next. Chat, would you ever be a police? Open the door, bro. You know who I is. You already know who I is. You know me? You already know who the I is. Yo, W Soap, look at you, girl. Look at you go. Look at you editing the editing. Look at you. We give a round of applause to Soap, chat. Round of applause. This is where he eats the donuts. He slurps it in my face. Yeah, we know. We know what's finna happen.
Which is knocks it.
You could give me at least one donut though.
O'Brien.
Can I get one donut? Never mind.
If you could get
Mind you, he did it with a cig in his mouth, by the way. That's not even humanly possible. You're gonna eat the cigarette with it.
listen,
Well, I'm here to do my job.
you know,
Let's go. Let's rock. Do I get a gun or something? Alright, chat. You already know what to do, chat. I'm gonna drive up to the stove. Gotta talk to him right quick.
Detectives.
And we gonna make some glizzies, alright? Natural. Natural glizzies, child. Like straight natural. If it didn't have a baby or it's not a mom and dad and came from a tree, then it's not real, child. So just letting y'all know. If it ain't coming from the ground either. Hot fresh wieners inside. Chat, come get your hot fresh wiener. Come get your hot fresh wiener, please.
Another
The Glizzy Gobblers is the store
Aryan
name.
City.
I like that
I get
name.
to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
I forgot you was weird.
But I don't regret you, baby. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
Let's do
I'll
it.
be counting the days.
Welcome to the Glizzy Gobblers. May I take your
Better
order?
go inside and start my shift.
Y'all want a glizzy, chat? It's hot and fresh. Made from scratch. Y'all want some glizzies? No? Absolutely not. Okay. That's your loss, by the way. I'm gonna make the most tasty. Stop calling my phone,
The
bro.
quick fix. This is Hexy. How can? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a.
How you know what he's saying, bud?
What?
He does not know what he's saying. It's capping.
Are you calling me?
Alright, bro. Yeah, I'm not hearing all this. Skip. Bro's not saying anything. Like, dude.
Buddy.
We already know what's gonna happen. Blah, 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 blah. Let's make some glizzies, bro. That's what I came here for. I came here to make some glizzies.
Just another.
Welcome to the Glizzy Gobblers. I guess I only have one loyal customer. So if you don't want no Glizzy Gobblers, the best gobblers in the city, sure you don't want some. That's your loss. That's your loss. Chat, if I cook for y'all, would y'all eat it? Make you nauseous? Not mine's, bro. Mine's different. Mine's organic. I think I'm sticking with burgers. Shut your big ass up, bruh. I literally just said, and you say you gonna eat it. So stop lying. You gonna eat these glizzies, bud. Like I said. Here goes a Glizzy Gobbler. Welcome to the Glizzy Gobbler. How may I take your order? How may I take your order? How may I take your order? Let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Okay, bet. Nah, you lucky I couldn't come out. You lucky I couldn't come out. I can't add relish yet. What you mean you can't add relish yet? Did I not put a wiener inside the wiener? Oh my gosh. Like, what you mean? I did toast the bun. You like relish? In my school, I think I ate it with relish, but I don't think I remember the relish. So that's probably why I didn't eat it. So I didn't eat it. I need an untoasted hot dog bun. Yo, what the? Child, I forgot to cook in this kitchen. I have to ski tomorrow in PE, just so you know, by the way. Oh. Clap it up for L, chat. She's the coolest girl in the school. Hey, bud. We could give a flying fadoodle that you're skiing. Nah, I'm joking. Hey, L. L, I'm just joking, L. Hey, L. Promise, L, I'm just joking. I promise. Nah, schooling. Skiing in school is pretty cool, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Like, your school doesn't do that. I promise you they don't. That's actually pretty cool. Not gonna lie. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie to you. Is it a field trip or not? She said for PE. So mind you, chat, while you're playing dodgeball, she over here skiing. That's kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie.
Wiener is ready.
I need a cooked wiener. Okay, bet. There you go. What's next? Yo, I never skied before, chat. Just letting y'all know. So, L, just by that, you ski in school? She's talking about she hates it, chat. What? Bro, so what can I add? I need ketchup and mustard. Okay, bet. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Simple as that. Here you go, sir. Nah, bro. This guy is gagging on it. Bro, you're gagging on it, though. I didn't peep that. I'm just now peeping he's gagging. Oh, you're sick, bud. You're banned from the store indefinitely. You come in here, bro. Oh, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. We ski almost every week if it's snowing. El Pele, where you from? This girl from Alaska? Like, actually? So we might actually have somebody from Alaska. You're from Finland? No way. Chat, so her PE class? Nah, your PE class is different, though. I don't have a finished hot dog. Shut up! I'm gonna give you a raw, uncooked hot dog. How about that? Talking about. Nah, chat, PE, and you got. What else you do in PE? Matter of fact, y'all go on a helicopter or something? That's crazy. Heaven Ut Alaka Haska. Yo, she's casting a spell on me. Ban her. Get her banned.
Wiener is ready. Wiener is ready.
The reader rather ready. The reader rather ready. The reader rather ready. The reader rather ready. Yeah, I know. The toasting the bread takes longer, I think. I don't know why. Yo, El Pele, that's actually pretty cool. What else y'all do in PE? Cause skiing is crazy. You are fun, not gonna lie. Yo, W El Pele, chat mod her. Here you go. Okay, chat, this is easy. See you later, ma'am. Appreciate you. She did it standing up. Oh nah, bro. What am I playing, dude? I love how Kev went from we don't give up to asking everything about L school. Nah, cause I'm genuinely curious. Like this girl's actually skiing in school. Like in school, chat. It ain't a field trip. She's skiing in school, bro. Like, I just imagine a school on a mountain and there's just a bunch of snow. Like, dang. Wait a minute, who this? How you doing, sir?
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Yes, I am.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here.
Facts.
Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
The best wieners in town? The Glizzy Gobblers? Is that what you want?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh.
No.
I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
Sir, this is not flesh. This is wieners.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies.
Oh,
do you
nah.
happen to carry any staples?
Yeah, GG's, chat. He's coming for my actual wiener. Yep, that's it. It's over with. GG's, chat.
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Really? Bro, your forehead is killing me, bro.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we
Bro
have
got a
some on the
7
back
head.
shelf over there by the toilet.
Not a 4 head. Not 5 head. Not a 6. 7 head. 6, 7.
Perfect. Thank
My bad.
you. I'll be seeing you again.
Shut up! Where you going? Don't stay in the store. Please leave. Lord have mercy. No, please. Yep, I'm getting a death stare off. Bro just went down slowly. Yep. Let's blow up this place. How about that? How you doing, ma'am? You want a finished hot dog? Coming right up. Let me get this wiener on the stove for you real quick, and I'll be on your way. Chat, you telling me you wouldn't eat a hot dog from here? If you walked up into my store, you're telling me you're not walking in the store with the hot dog. I'm sleepy. Yo, L. You can go to sleep, okay? I'm just joking. You don't gotta stay. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, hey. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What time is it for? What time is it for you? It's gotta be like 8. I'm getting better at these wieners, chat. I'm getting better at these wieners. I can't even lie. Splat, splat, blop. Have a good one, ma'am. There goes my money gun. GG's. Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you nicely, okay, ma'am? So look, I done had 2 customers, okay? I done had 2 customers come up in here and gobble my glizzies, okay? This is called the Glizzy Gobbler store. That doesn't mean to gobble on the glizzies in my face. Do it in private. Do it in your car. Is that okay with you, ma'am? Okay? That's all I'm asking for, okay? Please don't do that here. Do it somewhere. Bro, it's like they do a full-on squat. Oh, they do a full-on squat. Raise their elbows. Shoulder length, shoulder height. Raise their hands to their forehead. Tilt their head up. 90 degrees and gobble the hot dog. It's insanity. Give me a meaty, juicy. Look at this fruitcake. Talking about he want a meaty and juicy one. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The store is closing today. This is the last day. Get your free glizzies. That's it. I'm done. I had enough. I legit had enough. This is done. I'm over it. I'm over it. That's it. I'm over it. I'm over it. They're strategically doing it in front of my face, chat. Squatting and all of that. Getting a workout mid hot dog. Like, what is this? Look at him. Smiling at me, chat. Look at him, chat. Look at him. Yo, I can't with this game, bro. Like, what? This stupid ass alarm, bro, pissing me off. Like, I'm not getting paid enough for this. Hey, somebody drop 100 gifted subs. I appreciate it. Because this is just not worth it. Sir, can I just ask you politely? Please exit the door that you've entered from. Is that okay with you, sir? Chat. This guy leaned back like this. Look at the strategy he took, chat. Look, he like this. Legs spread out like this. Leaned back like this. Lower back is aching, by the way. And just, are we dead at? He bent all the way back for that glizzy. You know why he did that, chat? I'm gonna tell y'all why. And don't ask me how I know, because I'm just guessing. I think he did that to create space in his throat. Pause. Bro became a gymnast, facts. Look at him. Oh yeah, nah, see that's disturbing. And you smiling right after that. Throat goat, yeah, that's me. No, that's him. That, oh, chat, the instructions were right here the whole time, and I'm over here acting like a goofy. I figured it out. I figured out all this all myself. That's crazy. You know what, chat? Let's just get the glizzies on. Let's just get the glizzies ready. Let's just get them ready, chat. Let's just get them ready. I could have sworn I saw a lady come in here, chat. Am I tripping? Oh, there she is. Okay, you look normal. Chat, we might have a normal person right here. We might have our normal person right here. Not gonna lie. How you doing, ma'am?
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, Elle, have a great night. I appreciate you for stopping by. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Love you. Appreciate you. Bye. Hold on, chat. Are you trying to hit on me?
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Shrimp queen?
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Ma'am, there's somebody behind you. Ma'am. Right there.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
Bro sounds zesty, chat. We're not bagging her. We're not bagging her. GG's, chat. We're not bagging her. Bro sounds more zesty than zest itself.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh?
Oh, my name is Hexy. I thought she was calling me. Thank you for the follow, Tez. I appreciate that, Tez. W Tez.
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon.
Hey, ma'am, listen. You want me to walk you out? I'm not trying to flirt or anything, Chad. Like, there's legitimately a serial killer right behind you. Do you want me to take care? Like, do you want me to walk you out?
How much I owe ya?
You good? You free? It's free.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me.
Yeah, look at me like I'm putting that game on though.
Shrimp pathetic
Damn.
tonight.
You gonna walk out as quickly as possible. Please be careful.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Ma'am, not that way. The other way. Oh yeah, she's cooked. Please don't follow her, please. Please do not follow her, please. Okay, he's looking at her. He's looking. Okay, never mind. Whew. Hey, as long as you don't take...
What the hell is your problem?
I'm retiring. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm retiring. This is it. Great stream, chat. I love y'all though.
It seems you're all out of staples.
I don't know how many jump. Like I might get a heart attack on stream. Like the probability is 1% higher. Guaranteed. I might get a heart attack. This might be it.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit.
I'm pushing 50 playing these games, bro.
Make you.
Yeah, you better leave before I make you, bud.
Oh, that might be fun.
Bro.
I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What you mean? Chat, you know what's crazy though? Like logically, if you see a guy that looks like this in a store, you're calling 911 immediately. We haven't done that. Straight up. We're just watching him sink down to the counters, popping back up. Like, bro, I would have been called the cops.
What? I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Can you leave, please?
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
Thanks for shopping at the Glizzy Gobbler.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
You clogged my toilet. And didn't care to fix it? You sound like Doofus. Bro, y'all remember Phineas and Ferb, chat?
Great.
That was a great show. The restroom at? Where the restroom at? Over there, I see it. Yo, chat, get ready to get jump scared. 3, 2, 1. Everybody get ready, chat. Count down. Somebody count down. I already know what's finna happen. I already know. I'm already knowing. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter.
Never mind.
Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Never mind, I guess, chat. Oops. Who's clogging? Bro, who's plunging the toilet like that, chat? Be real. Like, at this point, the water would have splashed on my face. And nobody
This stupid thing isn't working.
Might as well eat the dookie and make it empty.
What the?
Earthquake.
What is that sound?
Earthquake. Yo, Fandle, what's good, Fandle? Oh my goodness, we're about to get it on our face. Yup. Gutters and bowling alley. I'm the girl now? Okay. Shoot. Your day's going well? Yo, I hope your day going... That's so gross. Yeah.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Oh, Lucas is dead. Just so you know. Oh, never mind. It's a different... Are you dead serious, bro? You sleeping on shift. Really? Wake your ass
Oh,
up,
look
bro.
at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity.
Yo, why she seducing me in my ear? Perfect opportunity. Like, just do the money, bro. Like, you ain't gotta...
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
Yeah, that's what my mom says. Resting her eyes. Talking about, I'm just resting my eyes. Buddy, you was not resting your eyes. You sleeping. Don't you hate when people say that, chat? Like, I'm resting my eyes. No, you're sleeping.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
Yo, you know how, chat? Comment a store, you don't know how it's still in business. Like, Forever 21 is a prime example. Like, how is that out of business? But Macy's is still in business. Like, are we dead at? Like, that's one thing I don't understand, how Macy's is still in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Always dead. Always dead. And you telling me Forever 21 got bankrupt, bro? Like, nah, bro.
Honestly, wouldn't shock
No way.
me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
About to steal some money. Ooh. All right, we're going to. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, the microwave's over there. Low key hot topic. Where the microwave at? Out of order. Office. Okay, let's go to the office. Ew. This disgusting
I'll
act.
come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he...
Ross? Nah, Ross is good, bruh. I always see people in there. Lucas. What is my... Oh, he's right here.
Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Kiss me goodbye.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
Buddy, you came in his job. Like, what you mean? You over here complaining you the one walked in the store.
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
Yup, GG's. People order a lot online. What you mean by that?
After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Alright, so let's do it.
Listen,
I'm
Blair,
complaining for it.
the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Dude, this game is freaky, bruh. Like straight up.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
You see, chat, y'all peep this hairstyle? Bro built like a rhinoceros. Alright, we gotta polish the balls, chat. How we do that? Why I get so quiet? I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, he said one of the balls are stuck loose. Yup, GG's. I don't know what to do. What's the objective? Busted ball feeder. Oh, right here, I see it. The out of order one. Yo, why y'all so aggressive? But they be hammering them things. There we go. I was about to say, they about to blow up. I'm fine, Shite. Hold on, Shite. I'm fine, Shite.
I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Alright, what's next? I thought we already
better
did.
head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Let's polish the balls. Shot the balls. Let's polish the balls. The balls. Let's polish the balls. The balls. Let's polish the balls. The balls. My bad. Oh my lord, chat. GG's, bro. Bro, what you want, bro?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
There we go. A girl with common sense.
I am here to purchase an experience.
Shut up before I kiss you.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
Bro, who's the narrator of this character, bro?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
Yeah, like, let's
Either
get to the
buy a
point.
lane or get out.
That's it. Not wasting my time, bro.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6.
You about to do something, chat. GG's. You about to do something.
Total creep.
And he just looking at me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You see, that's what we not gonna do. Clean the dirty balls. Let's clean them. Okay, how do I do this? How do I clean it? How do I clean it? Right here? That's how dirty the ball was? Ew. The ball should not be black, bro. If it's black, you can't go back. That's disgusting. Like, it's probably all these kids, chat. All these kids touching these balls. Chat, if you have a kid, do not let them touch everything, bro. I be seeing parents let their kids touch the floor, touch everything, bro. And they wonder why the kids see. Like, bro, make sure your kid is walking normally, bro. letting their kids be touching anything. Alright, the balls are clean. Balls. Bro, these bowling balls are literally black. Like me.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Oh my goodness, chat, he's gone. And it's quiet. Oh, we're about to get the meanest jump scare known to mankind. My body, my spirit is gonna leave my body, and it's gonna fly, and it's gonna return to my body within seconds. That's how bad the jump scare is gonna be. What do I need to do? Clean the shoes. Grab the deodorizer. Okay. Got that right quick.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
I thought this dude was breathing down my neck. That's how stinky it is? Golly. It looks like I'm making it stinkier. Look at the color of the spray. Look at the color. It's yellow. Here we go, Bob. Hey, Febreze can't help these shoes, I ain't gonna lie. I'd rather just order new ones. Bleep.
That should do it.
Yo, where did this guy go, Chad? Like,
Where did that weirdo go? He
I'm
didn't
trying-
even do any bowling.
I'm asking myself the same thing. He probably went into the gutter, I don't know.
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Oh yeah, GG's. Hey, everybody type in GG's, bro. I gotta go all the way to the back of the store. He's probably waiting for me right there. He's probably waiting. Let me check the store real quick. Bro, chat. He is not here. Clearly. So he's in the back. He's waiting for me. Yeah, that's it. GG's. I'm gonna turn
I'll
around.
eat this back at the register.
And he gonna be right there. Never mind. So I was right. Bro, you wasn't even in the store. So where was you at? The ceiling? Well.
What happened?
Ramen noodle.
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Yo, what am I playing? I got a shrimp talking to me right now. Chat, what am I playing, bro?
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Yo, are we dead eye? Are we dead eye? Mind you, this is a demo. So the real game gonna be far, far more longer than this.
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
Why am I laying in the bowling thing?
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Knuckles away.
Who this?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
Wait, don't put me in there.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please.
Yep, GG's. I might get hit with a bowling ball. Fetch me there. So, it literally sounds like a COD zombie, for real. So he's the skin staple. Oh, I get it. The game's called a skin stapler. Bruh. So he's just taking my skin. I guess. I mean, I guess, bro. I guess you use bowling machines to do that. Now I get why it's called the skin stapler. Now I understand. Wow, Chad, what a great stream that was. I ain't gonna lie, this is probably the best stream so far this year. What a great stream, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna see y'all in like 5 hours. I'm gonna see you in like 5 hours. And then I'm gonna see y'all for another 4 hours.